Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's probably almost 7 o'clock here tonight, and what we are going to do are these. You might have watched my previous video where I was taking them off, and I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, wait, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. I got about 15 more of these, but I am going to start processing these because they're so simple to process. There's the plastic cap, metal nut, and then you got this little O-ring right here, and then this one is done because everything else in there is all brass. So basically all you do is that's it. A lot of these are not going to have O-rings on them because I already took them off, or they were stuck in the canisters themselves, and I took them off that way. So, but yeah, it's I think I'm gonna tilt this down just a little bit more so you guys can actually see. But yeah, like I said, it's all brass. And they pop right off. So this probably won't be too long of a video, since this is a how-to video and I am processing. I'll probably go through these and then go ahead and end it, you know, to show you start from finish how long it actually takes to do a bunch of these. Now these I could probably sell these, clean them up, put them in a lot of 10, you know. I just might do that. Somebody out there might need them. I don't. To me, they're just garbage. But you know what they say about somebody's trash? One person's trash is another person's treasure. Now this one, as you can see, no, actually, is it? That one wasn't going to be too stubborn. And as you can see, pretty fast. But I'll probably keep these around for a while. I need to find another bucket. Oh, come on. Oops. That bounced a little further than what I wanted. But hey. These O-rings look pretty good too still. Whoops. Wrong pile. I want you to put in the comment below if you like this video. Also, should I sell those handles? Do you guys think they would sell? Leave your comment below and let me know. I've started selling some of my stuff. You know, the stuff that I don't need. Or the stuff that I don't want. You know, it's getting hard here. I've put in lots of applications. I've even started going back to some of the places that I want to work at to give them my new number, because everybody had my old number. So it's just one of those things. Now, I am, as you could probably notice, that I didn't fast forward through any of this because I wanted you guys to actually see how long it took. And as you can see, I'm done. You know, thought about taking, let's just do this a little bit further here. I don't know if it will let me, because I don't know how hard these things are put in, or if I have the strength in my hand to do it. But I do have my trusty hammer if I need it. And that, I don't think. Okay. See, I have to get it just right. That's if it'll allow me to. I might not be able to get one of these apart. And I don't think that's big enough. Nope. It isn't. But, well, that's where I'm going to leave it. You know, you guys saw how easy it was to process these. That's all I have to do to process them. Because if I would have left this on there, I'm just going to screw this on lightly. If I would have left it like that, here brass is $1.35 a pound. If I would have left this on there, they would have probably only given me probably 80 to 90 cents a pound. But by just taking that off, I just increased the value of it. You know, but I wonder how heavy this would be in my lap. So we've done 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. I've done 32 of them so far. And actually, I think I still have some more of these in the back of the truck. But that's almost 100 pounds right there. Almost. Because this right here is twice the weight of one of those canisters. But there it is, people. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, don't that look pretty? Yep, looks pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I will have a vise here shortly. I just have to get off my butt to, you know, put it to the table. But I just haven't, you know, I've been working on getting this stuff out of my van. I've been trying to get the stuff out of my outside storage before I lose that. You know, at least everything of value. You know, I don't know what else to do. My hands are my issues. And, you know, by company policy, you have to disclose any kind of disability that might prevent you from doing a job. And unfortunately, you know, depending on what the job is, you know, there's a lot of jobs I can't do, like fast food service. I can't be around, you know, dangerous items like a grill or, you know, a fryer, because I don't know when my hand's going to act up. I don't know when I'm going to lose function of my hands. And I don't need to be over a fryer and my hand just give out and the bucket drop into the hot oil and splash and burn me or anybody else. So I haven't been looking at fast food restaurants because I just, you know, I don't want to endanger people. You know, anything that is hand related I'm trying to stay away from, because I just don't know. So slowly but surely we'll figure something out. I wish we'd figure it out a lot sooner than later. But hey, this is a path that I'm supposed to go down right now. Why? I don't know. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully you guys are around to see me on this journey through probably one of the, well, third hardest things that I've had to do in my life. You know, the first two were the loss of my parents. And I got, well, somewhat through that, but it still affects me on a daily basis. Yesterday, I didn't do a video at all because it was my father's anniversary. He's been gone 9 years. But I normally don't work on that day. But, you know, when I used to work, you know, at a company, I used to take that day off so I wasn't around anybody, because my attitude is not the best on that day, you know. And then, you know, then there was my mom, which, you know, so it's just best that I don't work those days when I'm doing a job. But if I'm at home, I like to take things apart and destroy things because it takes my anger out on it. So that's enough of me babbling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please make a comment. I'll give you an update on the truck here shortly. And see what happens. You know. But I'm pretty much at a standstill right now. But you think these things would sell? Let me know. But we'll see what happens. So take care, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful night, wherever you are in the world. And as I always say, scrap it right, make that money, and treat each other with respect. Thank you, and you have a nice night. Peace. Later.